My name's Evan Alexander, and I've been designing and making concept art for concerts, live events, and television for the last 25 years. I've worked on projects like the Super Bowl halftime show, the Video Music Awards, and countless tours, Broadway shows, and live events for lots of different artists. I've also taught courses and masterclasses at Princeton University, MIT, NYU, and I have a YouTube channel of free tutorials covering all sorts of workflows for creating better renderings. Lighting and lighting systems have become such an integral part of entertainment design that the lines between scenery, content, and lighting have really blurred. So it's important for illustrators and concept artists to be able to represent these systems realistically and quickly. Over the years, I've used many techniques to not just replicate lighting, but to try to make the viewer feel what it's going to be like standing in the crowd at a big show. I've built my own tools inside of Cinema 4D to make pre-visualizing the cues as realistic and easy as possible. And I'm excited to now offer them to you for integrating into your own workflow. Introducing the ML Light Kit for Cinema 4D and Redshift. The kit features lights and tools that can be added to your projects to work right out of the box. These are non-brand specific fixtures that I've designed with clean topology and look great at any camera range. There's enough detail to look good, but with an eye on polygon counts to keep your overhead efficient. The interface is designed to make focusing the lights and dialing in their look fast and easy. These lights will work with cloners and symmetry, and some of them have these capabilities built right into the light. The kit works really well with Cinema 4D's takes system, and all these parameters can be keyframed for animation. Everything you need to work with a light or a whole lighting position can be found in one control panel, letting you easily try out ideas, write cues, and get your renders out to the client quicker. The ML Light Kit has 3 different light fixtures and a video wall tool that are all ready to go, as well as lighting systems for adding to truss runs, stage decking, and even circular truss. The lights can be bought individually or as a package, and that will open up a cost discount. While other products like Carbon for Unreal Engine are meant for console integration and full show previs, the ML system is designed with simplicity in mind for the illustrator. If you're already working with Cinema 4D, you'll pick up these tools quickly and can adapt it to your workflow in ways that make the most sense to you. These lights are great for use in concerts, theater work, events, installations, any kind of performance that requires controlled lighting. Training videos and examples are always available, and once you buy the kit, the lights are yours to keep and use forever. I hope you'll take a closer look at the ML Lighting Kit. I already have more fixtures planned for future releases. These are the tools I've always wanted to work with, and I hope they make your renderings better, easier, and faster to get out the door. I look forward to seeing what you'll create with it.